Hey everyone! Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you save your sanity and your wallet. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of hard floor cleaning. That's right, folks. We've got the Bissell Steam Mop versus the Shark Steam and Scrub all-in-one. It's like the battle of the brooms, but with less witchcraft and more steam. Let's see which one will make your floors sparkle and your neighbors jealous. First up, let's talk about the price. The Bissell Steam Mop is priced at $102, and many reviewers appreciate this as a great value for its effectiveness, especially for households with pets and kids. Meanwhile, the Shark Steam and Scrub comes in at $139. While it's a bit pricier, some users feel the extra cost is justified due to its versatile features and sanitization capabilities. Next, let's discuss sanitization. Reviewers rave about the Bissell Steam Mop's ability to eliminate 99.9% of germs without harsh chemicals, making it a safe choice for families. Shark's model also sanitizes, but some users noted that it requires careful adherence to instructions, suggesting that it may not always be intuitive to use. Overall, the Bissell gets a thumbs up for simplicity in sanitizing. Now for steam settings, the Bissell offers high and low steam options, which many users found sufficient for various messes. Reviewers appreciate its quick heating time and ease of use. On the other hand, the Shark provides 3 steam modes: light, normal, and deep. Users enjoy having multiple settings, but some have reported that the complexity can be overwhelming at times. Let's talk about cleaning power. The Bissell features a Spot Boost brush, which has received praise for tackling tough, sticky messes, especially in homes with children. Conversely, the Shark boasts over 150 scrubs per minute with its scrubbing mop head, making it an efficient choice for heavy-duty cleaning. Reviewers with pets have noted its effectiveness on tough stains, making it a strong contender. Finally, we have design and usability. The Bissell's 12-inch cleaning path and long power cord make it user-friendly, especially for larger spaces. Reviewers love its lightweight design and machine-washable pads. The Shark, however, impresses with its LED headlights and swivel steering, allowing users to easily spot and reach hidden dirt. Some reviewers mentioned issues with cleaning corners, but overall, it remains a popular choice for ease of use. Overall, the Bissell Steam Mop is praised for its affordability, ease of use, and effectiveness, making it a favorite among families. The Shark Steam and Scrub, while more expensive, is celebrated for its innovative features and powerful cleaning capabilities, especially for those with pets. Both products have their strengths, catering to different cleaning needs and preferences. So which mop should you take home? If you're all about saving pets and a lower price, the Bissell Steam Mop might just be your best friend. But if you want an all-in-one scrubbing powerhouse that practically cleans for you, the Shark might be the one to sweep you off your feet. Just don't let it get too cocky. Thanks for watching Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which mop you think takes the crown. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it smart.